The quality of the creasing can vary depending on the type of material to be creasing and the creasing method. The use of the most commonly used rigid creasing tool and rigid creasing groove can lead to fragmentation of the surface of the material to be creasing. In digital prints printed with dark colors, the cracking of the ink can be very noticeable. If the creasing channel is made of flexible rubber, it continuously supports the ink layer during creasing and results in a more beautiful creasing. This principle is used, for example, by the Paperfox KB-32 creasing machine. This creasing machine presses the material to be creasing against a rubber surface. In addition to creasing, the KB-32 is also suitable for die cutting and perforating. More than 30 years of expertise in producing print finishing machines. More than 10,000 produced devices. More than 300 custom solutions. More than 6,000 customers from more than 50 countries around the globe. And all of this has been achieved by a passionate, very small enterprise in Hungary. So our website is definitely worth visiting: www.paperfox.eu.